Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the workspace so nothing slows you. Install Paint. Net 2025 and confirm updates, then open your image or create a new canvas, setting pixel dimensions or percent scale to fit the output. Once done, enable the layers and history panels so you can work non-destructively. You should also check tools and colors presets. Make sure a pressure-enabled pen is detected if you use one. These first steps get you into a productive state immediately. You now perform the main edits. Create separate layers for background, subject, and adjustments, naming them so you don't lose context. Use Move and Transform to position elements, then refine edges with Lasso or Magic Wand. Adjust the tolerance and feather to avoid hard edges. Once selected, use adjustment layers by duplicating and applying curves, levels, or hue/saturation. This keeps originals intact. Make regular history checkpoints. If an effect looks off, step back and tweak blend modes and opacity until the composite reads correctly. You finish by flattening only when satisfied. Merge visible layers or export copies to preserve source files. Then sharpen and resize, choosing 72 dpi for web or 300 dpi for print, and export as PNG for lossless or JPG with controlled quality. Make sure to inspect at 100% for artifacts. If compression or banding appears, revert to layered file, reduce compression, or re-edit the adjustment layer causing the issue. A final tip, keep an unflattened master so you can re-edit without quality loss.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.